Hey guys, this is Noor. Welcome to today's video. Today's recipe is on how to make a vegetarian dish from a neighboring country to Lebanon, Syria. This dish is called ful Mkalla, or in English, fried broad beans. In this recipe, it is so important to use extra virgin olive oil, and the more cilantro and garlic, the better. We need to keep those vampires away. You can have this dish by scooping it with pita bread with a side of plain Greek yogurt. Now, without any further ado, let's get cooking. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, and if you're not a subscriber, to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more videos. See you guys in the next recipe video. Bye bye.